Welcome to 2212 Dartmouth Drive, where you will find this townhouse in a great location, convenient to Shaw Air Force Base, the mall, shopping, restaurants and more. This townhouse has a great floor plan with a great room, nice-sized kitchen and dining area, 2 full baths, and 2 bedrooms. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and a nice private, tiled bathroom. 1-car garage and a privacy-fenced backyard. The garage is located next to the neighbor's garage wall, so no neighbor sounds share between the units. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The great room has carpet, a vaulted ceiling, a ceiling fan, and measures 17 feet 8 inches by 13 feet 1. The eat-in area of the kitchen has vinyl flooring and measures 11 feet 2 inches by 7 feet 4. The kitchen measures 11 feet 2 inches by 10 feet 6, and has appliances that include a refrigerator, stove, and dishwasher that all remain with the home. The guest bath has ceramic tile flooring and measures 9 feet 4 inches by 4 feet 10. Bedroom 2 has carpet, a ceiling fan, a closet, and measures 13 feet 1 inch by 9 feet 4. The master bedroom has carpet, a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, a walk-in closet, a private bath, and measures 15 feet 5 inches by 11 feet 2. The master bath is tiled and measures 7 feet 7 inches by 5 feet 10. The laundry room has a washer and dryer hookup and cabinets for additional storage. The garage measures 23 feet 2 inches deep by 11 feet 6 wide. The backyard is fenced, and the patio measures 12 feet 3 inches by 11 feet 8.